All right, guys. Good evening, and sorry for the little delay. Uh, no as network dey be, and then man no vex. I believe you guys can hear me clearly. Comment. Uh,
Oh,
all right. Hello. Good
how are you?
evening.
Can you hear me properly?
Yeah, I can hear you clearly. I'm sorry for the delay. I saw your message that I should send the link. We're trying out something, so I'm sorry about
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
You know, the last podcast we could not get the visual representation. So
Oh,
this one we want the visuals. That's why. Yeah, I welcome everybody to FBA Traders Talk, where we invite top traders that are making waves in the forex industry, either prop firm or brokerage, to share with us their journey to success. And here we have one with us. I'll give you time to introduce yourself. Who has been able to secure $1 million account? Like, you're trading $1 million worth of account currently.
okay. Uh,
Are you?
I'm yeah, I'm trading. Yes.
Like a single account?
I'm currently trading with three firms. I'm trading futures as well. Not a single account, multiple accounts.
I think your network is a bit shaky, or is it my own? Can't see the comments from here. That's just the issue.
Okay.
Wait, wait, you let me see.
Come again?
Comment. All right, let's go. So, kindly tell us your name, how long you have been trading, which prop firm you are using, and how many accounts are amounting to the $1 million. What's your yeah? Let's stop there first. Introduce yourself, please.
No, okay. My name is Anandrajan. So I've been trading prop firms from almost 3 years now, to be exact. So I was actively trading 1.5 years. Then I took a break. Then again, I'm back to trading right now. So my total rewards is somewhere around 150K overall. This is only on Profirms. Live again, live probably live is like real account is around like around close to 100K. So that's about it. I trade multiple Profirms. The main one where I've taken my major payout is from Funding Pips. I have also traded GFT. I mean, my next biggest payout is from GFT, then Top Step. I have small payout from other firms, but it's less than like $10,000 maximum. So that's pretty much it. So I've been a lead QA engineer. I was trading part time, but now for the last 1.5 months, I have quit my job and I'm currently, looking at trading like a full time moving forward. So that's pretty much about me.
Hmm, quite interesting. I had issues hearing your full statements because of your English. You know, your English is different from us, but I believe you can hear me clearly.
Okay. I mean, yeah, the English might be very.
It's hard.
The voice is slightly breaking. Can you hear me? Hello.
I think the network is fixed now, isn't it? Yes, it
Yeah.
is.
Yeah.
All right.
You,
So,
you,
I was going through your page and I saw a picture of you and Astus. You know Astus?
yeah. He's a good friend of mine. So we met through Funding Pips. I've been following. So I'm very new to social media. Like 3 months back, I
Yeah,
was
I
at.
noticed. I noticed you were new on social media. Your first post was like in 2017, I think so.
Yeah,
Then you left and came back around 2023,
yeah,
isn't it?
yeah. I
I think
don't.
I saw those things.
So I think I started. My account was private. I just opened my account somewhere in August. So I had like 400 followers from August until now. So I met a lot of people, and Astius was one of the nice guy I personally met in my life. A very exceptional trader and a very nice person as well.
So what were you doing before trading?
I was a full-time engineer. I was working for a gaming company. I was leading the game testing.
So you created games.
I do create games, but I was working for a company who creates games, and I was part of a team where they test the product. They test the product, make sure everything is stable. So I was leading that team.
So how much were you earning then?
My last job, I was earning close to $5,000 a month.
So you left that job to go into trading.
Yes,
Why?
because let me be honest, that work demanded a lot of time. Like I was working like 9 hours a day.
Wait, were you earning $5,000 monthly?
Yeah,
And you are saying and you are saying a lot of time for 5K dollars. 9 hours
yeah.
a day, a lot of time for 5K dollars.
So think about this like so I've been working in a tech, and whereas trading is rewarding more, correct? So would I spend, for an example, I made 18 or 20,000 average every month in trading, correct?
Hmm.
So that is part time, whereas I was spending 9,000 on working full time
Wait,
and
wait, let
trading
me get
part.
some. Wait. You were earning $5,000 doing part time.
No, I was doing $5,000 working full time, but in trading I was making more working part time. So
Okay. So how much were you
I,
earning part time? How much were you earning part time?
somewhere I was making roughly like 10,000 average.
Like in trading, ten
Yes,
thousand. Okay,
yes.
from your job, how much in part time as well?
Job was 5,000. That was a full time job.
And that's 9 hours a day.
Yeah, almost 8 to 9 hours a day.
And that 9 hours a day for Monday to Friday.
Yes,
And you are saying it's demanding too much of your time for
yes.
five thousand dollars.
Whereas I could spend that time on trading, also build some trading products for the community.
God, oh. Do you
Why?
know? Wait, do you know the country I'm from?
Yeah, I am aware of it.
Nigeria. You are familiar with Nigeria.
Yes, like
Do you know do you know what it would take you to earn $5,000 monthly as an engineer in this
even
country?
even it's the same here. I was just lucky. I was working for a US based company, so it required my skill set. So I was very lucky to get a job like that. Yes,
Okay, good. Thank God you said you were lucky to get the job. Okay, good. So you
yes,
you left a job of 5K to go into trading, and
yes.
what motivated you to quit that kind of job? 5K
So
every month.
when I was in Dubai, to be honest, I took my decision when I was in Dubai, where I met
Okay.
Astros as well, where people were on a very different league. Okay, the life there was extraordinary, and people were they were making much more concentrated because they were concentrated on one single thing. Whereas me, I was treating trading as my hobby, not as a full time job. So that's what clicked me. What if I treated trading like a full time job, which was already paying me good, I can like triple it. So that's the thought process went to me. Like I just quit immediately. I met Astros like in a couple of days. I just made sure I quit the job.
So who brought you into trading? Who taught you trading, or
So
who made you to enter trading?
I think so. I knew trading about from 2013. One random
2013.
2013. I know what is trading like. I got introduced to live markets where a random Sri Lankan guy had called me and he was mentioning, so there is this platform where you can make money, try it out. So that's how I got introduced. Of course, I got scammed initially.
How much?
I lost $200, but $200 that time was way too much.
That's not. Yeah.
100 to $200 was approximate. And profit, then I was trading live here and there. I didn't make any crazy profit until one time I flipped $200 to $16,000 in like 3 months. But I lost it in 2 days.
You flipped $200 to 16K and lost
Yeah,
it in 3 days. What
yeah.
were your plans? You wanted to flip it to 1 million.
I was just do I didn't have zero mentor. I had zero knowledge. I didn't know proper. I was just getting lucky, to be honest. Okay, the
Okay.
market was just going one sided. I just kept on adding trades, close trades, adding trades. I got lucky and I got liquidated in 3 days. Then I completely quit trading for solid 3 to 4 years. Then one
Yes,
of my
that's when you
friends,
came back in 2017.
no, I came back at 2022 December,
After
and I
losing
came
that
back.
16K.
Yeah, yes. Then I came back. I started Profirms. The first firm I tried was Funding Pip. In 1 month, I was able to take a payout. I knew it worked. Then I started putting a lot of effort into that. I got decent payout every week.
Mm. So who was your mentor? Like you said, you were getting lucky. You didn't know what you were doing. So who made you know what you were doing?
To be honest, I didn't have a mentor, but I made sure I knew what basic market is. I knew where I have to start learning. By that time, then the Instagram everything has grown a lot. So there were a lot of tutorials. There were a lot of YouTube videos about it. So I just like learn slowly. I identified a few of my entry models and I stick to it.
So right now, you do you teach people?
So one of the reason after quitting the job, I did teach around 20 people. In that, one of the guy took payout of 30,000 US dollars in just 1.5 months. And
Mm.
there are a lot of other students who are taking consistent payout every month. Whereas me, I got busy in a lot of social media, traveling. My payout dropped from 10,000 a month to 3,000, $4,000 a month because I'm not concentrating in trading right now. So
Yeah.
I need to get back into trading.
Okay. So now you all your accounts they are scattered in different platforms.
Yes.
So which is the highest?
Funding pips. I always trade funding pips the highest. Then recently I started trading Funder Pro.
So how much do you have with Funny Pips?
You mean the account size or the total payouts?
Both.
Currently I have 150K live. I just lost like 50K last Friday. Payouts I'm at not at 100K. I'm close to 90K. After profit split, I'm at 75ish K. Yeah, that's about it. And I'm currently also trading a new firm called Pipstone Capital. It's a pretty new firm. So now I have a series that I will trying out new firms every week and put a review on that. I tried a firm called Easy Funding. I made some 1.5%. They gave payout, which was fine. Now I'm also trading a firm called Pipstone Capital. It's relatively new to the market, but their instant funding account is very good. So I'm trying it out.
You are trying instant funding.
Instant funding as a company, I have like some $2,000 payout with them. Then I stopped trading them because they had a couple of hidden rules. They were denying accounts, so I stopped trading with them.
Wait, go again. They have what rule?
So I usually trade gold. For example, they give the leverage. So this was very, very, very irritating actually. On a 100K account, funding pips leverage is good on gold. You can take around 7 lots right now. Before you used to be 10, but still you can take 7 lots. Whereas instant funding, they give the same leverage, but
Mhm.
maximum is 3 lot on a 100K account. Whereas I am a big volume trader who goes like 20 pip SL, that is basically 2 pip SL and 10 pip TP. That is my strategies. Whereas I go for 5 lot sizing. When I placed 5, I passed phase 1, phase 2. They gave me live. After giving live, they came back and tell me you have entered 5. Our maximum is 3. We will disable your account. So I was like, okay, pissed off. I stopped trading with them.
But you didn't see the rule before you like. I think there's a place where instant funding will tell you the maximum lot size for whatever account that you want to trade. They write their gold, indices, crypto, forex, and all. You would have read
Yeah.
it now. It's not their fault.
But whereas instant funding, they had an FAQ page. In that, there is no info. They have one more link somewhere in between. There, they all had all these info. So, like anyhow, they denied a payout of my friends some $60,000. They denied. So, like instant
Why did
funding
they
is like
deny the payout of a friend?
come again,
Why?
$60,000.
Why did they deny it?
Same lot sizing rule. They changed the lot sizing rule in between, and he didn't see the mail.
All right. So this same instant funding, I don't know. They denied payout of somebody I referred as well, and the reason why was they said the person was gambling. You get?
Yeah.
I didn't know. So I was now that you have a series of trying out new prop firm.
Mm. So this
I
way, I really like funding pips. Even if you are breaking any rule, they make sure they are giving you the payout, whatever. That policy I really like about them.
you mean it?
Yeah. So they have this policy, like if you are breaking any rule, like gambling rule, anything, they will pay you out, but they probably take strict measures post that.
Mm. Oh, that's new, man. First time I'm hearing it.
No, they have it advertised actually. Couple of my friends had issue. They used to higher leverage, but they gave the payout, but they give warning post that. So that's a good way to think. Good way to do, I think, because you as humans we might make mistakes, right?
Everybody do make mistake.
Yeah, and new traders who are coming into trading, for an example, they without any mentor or anyone, they sometimes they might not read rules. Okay, so you reach payout, and when your payout gets denied, your mind gets goes to a state, a very bad state. Okay, then they start thinking, okay, performance is a scam, this and that. So that
Exactly.
so rest of the firms do that, whereas funding PIP they make sure you're getting paid, and they will tell you why exactly the reason the payout has been the mistake you have done, and they will also give an another chance, which I really like about them. That's why I still trade with funding PIPs.
Wow. I'll check them out. I'll check them out then. So, how do you feel about trading in Dubai? You live in Dubai currently, right?
No, I'm back to India. I live in India.
What? India.
I live in India.
Okay, then which broker are you guys using in India? Because I think about 3 weeks or 4 weeks ago, Xness were closing accounts in India.
So yeah, so currently I'm using XM. So
XM.
yeah, XM.
I
So
think
they
that
are
broker. Which country owns the broker? Is South Africa?
no, they are there in Dubai actually. They are based out in
Really?
Dubai.
I had a message
XM.
from their representative in South Africa. I think so.
They are like
Uh,
pretty decent. I like their account sizes. Their supports were very good, and I have direct contact with the support team and the account manager as well. Whereas Xness, I didn't have any support from Xness team.
yeah, Xness don't give you anybody to talk
Yeah.
with. Just strictly you and the app.
Yes.
I get that. So
So whereas
What made Xness to leave India? Did people do something?
they had some issues, like it's not very clear. They just stopped operating and they bringing in new rules. A couple of I they stopped. They blocked my deposits. Right now, I can't deposits. There are friends of mine who can't deposit, who can't withdraw also, but they have the funds. So it's like a
Man,
weird situation. Like so, they're
and they
just
are not
ran
saying anything about it.
no. So if you send a mail, they'll just get an automated mail, no response, nothing.
And is that not troublesome? Are you not
That's
scared that maybe Xness is folding up or something?
I have no idea. Like so, that's very uncertain. So when I was in Dubai, I went. So I think me and Astus went to XM office. We met the team, and they were like assuring that any issues arises, we will be able to support you and everything. So that's why I moved to XM. Also, my community, a lot of people moved to XM.
Yeah, I saw it. I saw it in your Telegram community.
Yeah.
So the thing I checked about your Telegram is that you barely post free trades. Why? Don't you want to give back to the community, or you have a VIP signal channel or something else?
I do have, but the problem is, as I told, I really want to share trade ideas. I used to have weekend calls and share trade ideas, but last month I've been very hectic traveling. Even tomorrow I have to travel. So I'm going to stop traveling from January, concentrate more on trading. I'll be definitely providing good values to the community, sharing them good psychological advices as well as trading tips and trade ideas as well.
Now you have a YouTube channel where you and some other person share tips about psychology, but people don't speak English. Why?
Because I'm from South India. Okay, so I speak, and also I speak three different languages. And India, there are multiple, around like more than 30 languages, more than that actually. So where I come from, so I can speak Tamil, Malayalam, and Hindi. Sorry, Hindi and English. So there are four languages I can speak. And where I come from, the southern part of India, there are different people, Tamil, Malayalam, where I am coming from. I am based out of Kerala. So I want to talk in that, language so that that community people can understand. Here, a lot of people can't understand English. So
Yeah,
I want to educate, share some valuable ideas for particular community since I'm able to do that, but it requires a lot of time from me because recording, editing, Everything needs a lot of time, so I'm trying to. That's why one of the reason I quit the job, so that I can concentrate more on this as well.
Well, so how far
Yeah.
is the turn up, despite the fact that you people don't use English? Because I feel trading is not really in the India aspect like that. Like the population or the people interested in trading in India are very very low, if I'm not
Uh,
mistaken.
People are in. See, the main reason for me was when I started trading, I didn't have anyone to teach me or anything. Okay.
Exactly. Yeah.
So in 2022, that it was different. A lot of Hindi speaking traders, that's in North India, and a lot of English speaking traders were there. There were no good traders who were speaking my language, like Malayalam and Tamil.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
exactly why I decided to make content in that language as well.
Oh, that's why you choose not to use English, to
No,
use your own language.
I have English as well. I do on three languages.
Hmm, that's a lot of work.
Yeah, that's a lot of work. Yes, and so yeah, one another thing. So one of the reason I quit this job because I want to build tech products, like no, which will help for trading, creating content. So whatever you told right now, it was difficult for me to write scripts in three languages. Correct? Whenever we're making video, we write scripts. So I built a website. I'm just launching it tomorrow. It's called ascripts.ai. It will generate the script based on your AI model. You have to feed the way you speak, the way you write. So it will create beautiful scripts for YouTube in whatever language you select.
So is it going to be free?
Yes. The basic version is going to be free. Yes.
Why don't you just make it fully free? You have the
Because
money. Now.
a
There's
lot of
nothing.
people think free is not first of all, it's an AI model. We have to pay for the AI model. Okay. So, and it's not very expensive. It's going to be like maximum $10 a month. That's the price. Whereas I have to see development cost is there, then support cost is there, then I have to hire two people to figure out issues coming. And also, a AI model charges that. So, whatever the AI model, I have to pay from my pocket. I can pay from my pocket for my use. What if there are 1 million people using that in the next tomorrow? I will go bankrupt. Correct? So charging the fee for running that website is okay. They can always use the free version.
Okay. Then, are you signed to any prop firm or broker like IB or Ambassador?
XM, yes, I'm XM. I'm like a small ambassador for South India. Profirm funding web, yes, I am. No, I've been trading with them. I'm like streaming for them. So these are the two. I mostly only concentrate on one firm, like one pro firm and one broker, or two pro firm maximum, or two broker maximum. That's what I have in my mind.
Okay. Do you have any Nigerian traders that you relate with, that you are friends with?
I only know Astros personally. So he was,
Asus is not a Nigerian, he's a Ghanaian.
yeah, like he's a Ghanaian. Yes, I just know Astros from Africa. And like rest,
So you
I
don't know
don't
any other African trader?
know.
Habi, Jeff,
No, I know this trader. I forgot his name. He's in Dubai currently. Like I met him on the expo. I forgot his name.
Sniper, Tony Sniper, or
He works in Vyond also. He has like does Vyond TV.
whose trader is that? I don't know.
Vyond TV. Okay, I'll probably send this link. I forgot his name. I met him through the during Dubai Expo.
Okay, so how long did it take you to get profitable? Like you were not profitable from the onset, right? While you were
I
working
I was profitable from first month.
from the first month of trading.
Yes,
How is that possible?
because I don't know. I knew the basic of trading. For an example, in Profirm, first I bought 5K or 10K accounts. I bought like 6 7 accounts. I busted
Seven
that.
accounts.
Yeah, 6 7 accounts. Then I passed like in 1.5 months. I passed a 10K account. My first payout was $500, so it covered whatever I have invested in. Right.
Your first
Then
payout
I
was what?
scaled $500.
500.
Yeah,
And you
dollars.
bought seven accounts.
Like yes, I mean in 1.5 months of time.
Mm.
So after that, I moved to 100K because I didn't have issues regarding psychology because I was earning close to four thousand
You didn't
dollars a
have,
month.
you didn't have issue with psychology because you had the money. That's why.
Exactly,
You know, the
exactly. That's what
five
I'm.
k. Come on now.
That's what I'm telling you. I didn't have any issues with the psychology, and I was very confident because even if I lose the money, I have the money to afford.
To buy another one, you know,
Yes.
like
So I
just
went
like
100.
fuck it, get me a new one.
That was a very good strong point in for my mind actually.
So, so how many you blew about how many accounts on the on you blew those accounts within that first month, or it was after you blew the account it became profitable?
This is what the first month I blew around 7 accounts. The second month I made the payout $500. Then I moved to 100Ks. My first payout on 100K, then it was like 2,000, $3,000. I constantly started taking $4,000 every month, like every 15 days, or what the payout cycle was. So what I used to do is I will have three accounts of 100K max allocated. I won't combine. So once one account is payout ready, I will stop trading that and I'll go to the next account. So but Astros does it differently. He combines everything and trades together.
I trade together like the guy is so somehow. He doesn't
Yeah.
care if the account is somehow. He just takes all of them along.
So I trade separately. My biggest payout is just $7,000, but I have consistent payout every week, like two
Yeah,
thousand.
I saw your iconic picture where you framed almost all your payouts and
Yeah.
what
So if you look at
what
the payout,
inspired
it
it?
will be small, like 1,200, 2,000, 4,000.
Yeah.
I don't have a big 10K payout yet, to be honest.
So what motivated you to do that frame for someone that you have seen a lot of money?
I don't know. I like trading. I love money. How much ever money you have, money is just like a really great thing. Plus, I was just enjoy trading. Right now it's stressful, but before I used to enjoy trading. Yes.
So one month took you to be like that's
No,
strange.
2 months. 2 months you can say 2 months.
2 months. So let's say 2 months. You were profitable in 2 months.
Yeah.
So that's strange. That's strange. That's strange.
No, profitable in. See, I knew the basics, right? Like I had the experience of losing $16,000. It was painful. So I think
Okay.
that
Oh, okay. Wait. You became profitable after losing that 16,000.
yes, the 16,000 was my pure profit. I would have lost it $200. That's it.
You flipped $200 to 16,000.
Yes.
Then you lost it in 2 days.
Yes.
Then you started buying accounts.
No, that was happened in 2016 or 17. Then I quit trading for 5 years. Then I came back trading profits on 2022.
Okay. Now I want to get something straight. You started trading about 2017, right?
2013, I got
2013.
scammed. I got
You got
scammed.
scammed.
I came back again in 2017.
Mm-hmm.
Made 16,000. I took a
Yeah.
pay
You lost
withdrawal of.
it.
I took a withdrawal of $7,000. Then I lost everything.
Okay.
Then I started profit in 2022 December.
That means you've been trading since like 2013, right?
Yes, but I was not constantly trading. I like 1 year I trade, I take a break.
Okay,
And
one year you trade, you take a break.
I don't know. I was thinking it was not working out. Then there was not many traders. Education was very, very. You know something? I didn't know sessions existed like New York,
New
London,
York,
Tokyo
yeah.
until 2022. I'm not even lying. And I didn't know any concepts like SMC, ICT. Nothing I knew. I didn't know liquidity. Everything I learned from 2022 because that time, like, no, there were a lot of information in the internet which was available to learn.
So you didn't know all these things and you were able to take $200 to 16,000.
Yes, I was just taking one-sided trade every day, just looking at the chart.
Wow. That's so
And
what
luck,
can we
it
say
was
now
good.
that it took you 2013 to 2022 to become profitable? Because you are saying is 1 month. People will 1 month. How is that possible? You said being profitable after learning all those things in 2022, if I'm
Yeah,
not mistaken.
I don't know. Just like first thing is I had the money in my bank, which helped me to
You've
do.
always had money. You've always had money. Someone receiving 5K every month.
Yeah,
you
so
always
that's a very important thing. A lot of people see. I'll tell you something. Sam. See, if you have like $1,000, if you're trading, if you just put $100 every day and flip, okay. flip 1:2. Correct? You will be profitable at least $400 by end of the month. Correct? Like the mathematics.
You
You
found
put you have
$100, we should flip it.
you have
So
$1,000. You put in a
okay,
broker. Okay, you have a 50% win rate. Okay, of 1:2. Okay, and you are trading 10 days. $100, you're either flipping it to 200 or 300, or you are making it zero. If you are winning 4 days, you are profitable. No, 3 days you are profitable. You're losing 7 days, you are still profitable.
if you flip $100, 200, 200, 200, that's 600.
Yeah.
Then that's you haven't make your 1,000 back. You'll be down
No, you have to
400.
go for 1:2. I was talking about 1:2.
Okay, I should go from one is to two, 1 is to 3.
Yeah.
If you do 1 is to 3, if you win 3 times, it's 900. You're still below your 1,000.
Yes.
So that's not profit.
No, you are losing only 700. You're winning 900. So $200 you're profitable.
Okay, yeah, yeah, yes, that's correct. 900 minus 700.
So
Okay.
people are not able to do it because of their psychology. They give up, they overtrade on a single day. So I think my psychology was better when I started. In between, I lost it when I had 1.3 million in total funding across multiple firms, and I lost it without a zero payout. Then I had an issue. I had a psychological issue. I went little crazy. Then I took a big break on trading again.
So in total, how much have you spent in purchasing accounts? Like all the problems you have bought, how
So
much have you
last
spent?
time I calculated, I think I spent around 33,000 or $35,000 on
Eh?
accounts.
You say
Yeah, 33 or
33,
35,000. Yes,
33K dollars
yes,
in buying accounts.
yes.
So how much have you made from those accounts that you bought? 1 million,
One no 150K.
150K.
Yes.
And it's not all of them that got to payout stage.
See, lot of accounts won't go to payouts. There are accounts where I had max allocated, and I just told you I had 1.3 million in funding, whereas I didn't take a single payout. I just lost everything.
Wait, you did not make one single payout for $1.3 million.
Yes.
Ah, this
It
person.
was see, it was a very bad issue because no, I will tell you the issue. See, I do exceptionally well on 100, 200K accounts. Okay. When the account size became 1.3, I started panicking because I never experienced such a bigger, larger account. Okay. So that's why that I when I thought
God.
now
one
now
point
I'm
three million dollars. $1.3 million. You not receive $1.
not even a single dollar. Yes, that was a
Oh, how did you feel? How did you feel?
heartbreaking. Like it was. I can't express the feeling. I was like literally numb for like a week. I didn't look at charts for a month.
Just 1 week. Now 1 week.
No, it 1.3 in total funding. So if you look at the probably 130K dollars would have been my drawdown buffer.
Yeah, 130K was your total drawdown, like 10%.
Yes.
And you could not make $10. In fact, $1. You could
So I
you
was greedy. I was very greedy. So I feel I just got
were
punished.
very greedy with $1.3 million.
Yeah, but later after this incident, I came back trading again. I took a 25K account, just a 25K account. I made $18,000 payout. I mean
Wow.
profit. In 2 months.
Which problem was that? You almost doubled it.
No funding pip. I have already shared the video and stats of that account in my Instagram and YouTube. You can check it out.
Wow. Wow, I will.
So
Wow.
from $25,000, I made profit of 19. I made a loss of 8. I took a payout
So
of $10,000.
which prop firm was that 1.3 that you lost? Still funding pips.
Funding pips is 300. Then gold funded is I had around 400, 500. Then QT and funded next I had like 100K.
QT, you mean Quantec.
Yes, Quantical, yes.
Okay, did you pass those accounts manually or you used robot? Because I know Quantec funding uses HFT.
No, I traded everything manually
You
except
trade
Funder.
everything manually.
Yes, except Funder Pro because Funder Pro allows bot trading. I tried, but the bot was just making me losses. So I just closed the bot and I started trading manually.
And you passed all those things.
Yes.
So your aim when you pass, how were you feeling? Your aim was like yo, and you just to make 10% on
No,
average.
I'm right now. It doesn't affect me. I'm very numb. I make a profit. I make a loss. My account goes to drawdown. I don't have any issues right now. Maybe if my funding goes above 1 million again, I'll start having issues.
Wow.
See, it's all about tolerance. Like right now, before I had slight, scared on 1 million accounts, but now I think I can handle 1 million accounts.
So do you do account management, prop firm passing?
No,
Uh,
I never support pro form passing. It's a very bad thing to do. Account
why?
management, because pro form pays you for your skill set, correct? And I
Mhm.
also feel if you are helping someone, they will definitely identify someone is helping. There is a risk assessment interview. They check all your IP data, everything. They will ban you.
Not all prop firm does now.
Yes, like pro form passing service, they like once you pass, you will get banned. Like when you come for the payout.
So I also went through your page and I saw that you you don't involve in sports. What are your hobbies? What are the things you do when you're not trading? When you're waiting
I
for your
used to play
setup?
a lot of video games. I love playing video games, but I don't have much time. I enjoy playing badminton and table tennis, but again, I should start. Like I'm little fat right now because I'm not doing anything.
It's not as if you're not doing it. You're seeing money. You're seeing. So what strategy did you use now? Since you said as at the time you started trading, there was no SMC, there was no
So
ICT and all.
I have this couple of entry models which I really like. One is basically I look for a sell structure on just before London Open. It gives me like 100 and 120 pips. With the five lot, I can make $5,000. So I
So which pair is that? On gold?
yes, I only trade gold. I mostly trade gold
Why?
on
Why? Why
because
gold?
I really love the pair. It either it gives the results instant. Okay, it either
No, no, I
it
don't. I don't like gold. I don't like gold.
I will tell you. Okay, it will either take your SL fast or it will take your TP fast.
Okay. You are that point that it would either take your SF fast or give you TP fast, right?
Yes.
So that's what you like. That's what you want. Something that
Yes.
See, this thing happened to my friend. Who did it even happen to? I think two of my friends. One of them is Mirage. He was trading gold one day. It was like yeah, set SL. You can set your SL separate, set your TP separate using the modify stuff. So while he was setting, while he had set the SL, while he was setting TP, gold has already hit the SL.
Yes.
So that's something. That's something that should
it
be
has
trading.
it has happened to me once.
It happened to you once before.
Yeah,
So that kind of pay is not something that someone should be in love with.
but I still love that pair. I just love the movement of gold.
So God has not done to you more harm than good.
I would say the opposite, but still I love that pair. It's a toxic relationship.
It was a relationship. Most of the cries we see online, most of the heartbreak we see online are usually caused by gold. It's
Yes.
always gold. They are always entry. So I don't think gold should be a pair that someone people or mentors should uh should support newbies to trade. So since did you start trading with gold or you were trading currency pairs then you later diverted into gold?
No, I used to see before, not right now. Before funding pip used to when I trade three accounts, there was no copy trading. Okay, so that time I used to trade gold in one account, Euro USD in one account, and GBP JP in another account.
GPPS, okay, JPP.
Yeah. So, but now they allow copy trading, which is very good. So I just trade gold.
So you can take gold on one of your accounts and it will reflect on the other accounts.
Yes.
Wow, wow. So explain your strategy for me again. Sorry to cut you short.
Yeah. So I look for this entry model just before London Open. Before London Open, if the market is pushing up, I will look for a good liquidity sweep or an order block. Once it hits that, I will take my sell position and hold till the next support level. So this is one of the entry model which has worked perfectly for me. And another entry model in New York, if New York the market moves either up or down very fast, okay, I will wait for the volume to change from buy to sell. Then I will take a trade and hold till the sell.
Are you taking a reversal trade on the New York session? Are you continue?
Yes. Yes.
Reversal trade.
Yes. I take this counter trend trade.
So you use the volume indicator
I
stuff.
just don't like see you when you see the market, right? You can see the market moving fast and slowing down like this. So that time I will look for my entry for the reversal.
Are you sure that thing works on gold? Gold can go up very fast, do as if it's slowing down, and the next thing again is already up.
That is that is true. That's where the risk management comes in place.
That's why you put your stop loss and all, right?
Yes.
So how did you come up with this strategy?
By taking too many stop losses.
By blowing so many accounts,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
And this is what you likely teach her to whoever you are teaching.
To be honest, I don't teach my strategy.
So you don't teach at all.
My strategy is public. If they want to learn, they can learn. See, I firmly believe trading is all about properly planning, the risking management, your mindset. So that's what I mainly concentrate in my mentorship. The strategy I personally help them to develop their own. So they already might be having some strategy. Some might trade SMC, some might trade Fibonacci, some might trade price action. To be honest, everyone trades their own strategy. Whatever I pay out, I have told you so far, they have personally structured their own entry models, and they are profitable. That's what I want from my community as well.
Okay, that's good. So what advice do you have for new traders?
So decide where do you want to trade. If you guys have a lot of money, go for live trading completely, like with a broker or something. If you have like $50,000 or $20,000 lying around, go for live trading. But learn proper risk management there also. Risk only like 3% or 5% per trade on the maximum on the account. When it comes to Profirm, if you have less money and you want to make a good capital, Profirm is the best thing. Whichever Profirm you're choosing, please read the FAQ thoroughly. They have a different FAQ for challenge phases, they have a different FAQ for live phases. Please follow every single rule. Okay, KYC, IP address, everything is very important because Profirm will deny your payout even if you break a small rule. They are here to deny your payouts. So make sure you're following all the rules. That way you are definitely going to get paid out. So that's something I really will say. Then also learn some basics, find a mentor, learn some basics, stick to your rules, don't break the rules. Fix your mind. Don't go in debt. Don't take borrow money and trade. Don't take money of your relatives, friends. That is very important. A lot of people think if you get money from them, you can make and return it back. It's not the truth. If you take money from them, your mind will be constantly under pressure, like thinking, oh my god, if it goes little red, you will start panicking. If it
So
goes little,
where do you think or where do you feel people should get money from? You know, it's not everybody that is going to be lucky to have a work of $5,000 every month.
no, start from, okay, okay, let me put this way. Okay, assume you're getting a salary of, I don't know what's the, let's keep it in US dollars. Okay, assume you're getting salary of 400 US dollars. Okay, make sure after all your expenses and commitments, you will have some money. For example, it's, let it be $50. Okay, identify an account size which comes under $50. Funding PIP account with discount, I think it's around $26. So you can buy two accounts. So
Okay.
monthly, limit yourself with two 5K accounts, trade in that properly, learn properly. And from that, you scale up slowly. So once you scale up slowly, your strategy, your mindset, your psychology, everything will improve slowly.
All right. All right. So after probably, passing an account is not guaranteed. What if the person fills all the accounts, kept trying and kept trying and kept trying, and could not succeed, or something happened, or he ran out of money? Should not still go and borrow money from relatives. Should not take money from somebody, probably an investor or what. Like, what are
So
your do's and don'ts in trading?
So that's what I told you. We should never borrow the money and trade is what I personally feel unless you're very, very confident on what you do. But if you're in learning phase, please, try to save up, learn slowly. Don't put I was able to put money because I had a good backup. A lot of people don't have that backup. So put the money based on what you can afford and trade slowly. That is what matters.
All right. Now, in your trading journey, you said you went into break, right? So, how did you
Yes.
overcome the fear? Like, I think you went into break for about 2 to 3 years, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes.
So how did you overcome what made you to go into break?
Because losing $16,000 where you are earning yearly like $5,000. I used to earn yearly $5,000 that time, or
Mhm.
$6,000 that time. So losing your 3 years salary on 3 days, it was very very
What
hard.
what what pair? What pair? You lost it on gold, right?
No, gold, Euro USD, and GBP USD. I used to trade all three at the same time.
Okay. So you lost the money on those pairs and you came back and you were like, okay, fine, I'll still continue with this gold.
Yes.
You didn't change your mind. I was like, this was the pair that ate my money. Let me find a new one.
No, I'm very, my mindset is very strong that I don't give up that easily. Last month was brutal for me. I had lost around $600,000 in capital, but still I'm trading.
So in your trading now, do you allow your trades to run to take profit, or you close break even, or you take
So I
partials?
have a different rule for challenge phases. It's either SL or TP. There is
Huh?
nothing in between.
Your challenge is either stop
Yeah,
loss or take profit.
there is SL or TP. There is nothing in between. I don't move the trade ever. Okay, whereas in live, I treat live like a goose gold laying golden egg. So I'm very delicate. So if my trade
You
moves
don't
one
want
is
to lose your account.
yes, when it goes to 1:1, I'll move my account to break even and let it run.
So 1 is to 1, you have break even in your life account.
Yes,
You don't take partials.
no,
But that's risky. Sometimes
yeah.
gold can do one is to two,
See,
and
that is
it's heading
what the
back to S.
apparently trading is a very high risky thing, right?
So you said in your challenge account you have a different rule. How many percent do you risk per trade on your challenge account?
To be honest, before when funding whip didn't have any rules, I used to risk around 3.5%.
Three of challenge accounts.
Yes,
How? That is their
because
daily drawdown now.
that's now. When I started, there was no daily drawdown. There was 5% drawdown every day.
Yeah,
So that time I
that's
used to risk 3%. Now, since they have like so many rules right now, I risk around 1.5 or 2% in challenge phase. Live, I risk only 1% all the time.
okay. That's good. That's good. So do you do that because you feel you are confident enough now, or you trust your setup so much?
I'm okay. I'm able to trade decent now. Setups do fail. It's not like 100% accurate setup. I have one setup around 65%, one setup around 52%.
So how do you feel after losing an account? Like at this stage, do you feel
Now,
bad?
now nothing.
Nothing. Just like it's part of the job. It's part of the
Yeah,
journey of buying.
that's it. Like, I take an SL. Okay, done for the day. I sell that. I right now I have I have developed this tolerance towards stop losses and losses now.
Even it.
Maybe maybe I might have issues if I'm losing like 1 million, not 1 million, probably 2 million, 3 million accounts.
Wow. Are you married?
Yeah.
You're married
Yes.
with kids.
Not yet.
Okay. So how do you manage trading with your marriage?
It's okay. My wife is pretty much understanding. So
So you guys don't fight or quarrel after a stop loss or a bad trading week.
I do, but I told if my face is very sad or if I'm thinking something, don't ask me any questions. It should be a trade hitting stop loss.
So in trading now, you've made a lot of money. What's the most expensive thing you've bought for yourself?
That's like I have not spent a lot. Like I have a good desk setup. I have a 49-inch monitor double stacked up for
What?
work, and
You have a what?
49-inch monitor stacked up twice.
Ford.
49-inch monitor.
Okay, if that's for trading, right?
Yeah. So
How
that's
about a
something.
car?
Then no, I have a small decent car. It's like it costs around $20,000. That's it.
You want to buy a Lambo?
No, I don't want to buy a Lambo.
Why?
I might buy a good SUV. That's it. That's about it.
Traders like Lambo. Why don't you want
I
to
don't
buy
know.
one?
I'm not very much into flashy lifestyle.
But you travel a lot.
These days, yes, because I'm meeting a lot of traders from different part of India.
So when will you come to Africa?
I might consider when Astus is getting married.
So that's when you come to Ghana.
Yeah.
Astus not going to get married now. Or is he planning it?
I don't know. Like I should ask him. Probably in the next 5 years he might. I have asked. I have
Five,
invited him
five
to India.
years.
Yeah.
5 years. Five.
Yeah. 5. I think so.
Do you think so? You're not even sure.
He was telling that he'll get married and stuff, but I didn't ask when. I have invited him to India. If he comes, it will be good.
All right, we hope to catch up with you some other time. Right.
Hmm. So how long are you trading SOM FX?
Um, 3 years counts.
How's your trading journey? We spoke about our trading journey. What about your
My
trading
trading
journey?
journey has been up and down.
Okay.
You know, like I studied engineering too. I graduated 2 months ago from
Okay. Nice.
Uniben. So I've not started working. I've just started earning money like you to buy accounts. The My highest payout was from my first funds. Never my first funds.
Yeah, yeah, I'm aware of.
Yeah, till they fold up, and I was planning my second comeback. I had $600,000 worth of accounts with them when they folded up. So since then, I've been having a phobia in buying accounts. Then I
Hmm.
tried instant funding again. The story is not really, how will I put it? It's not sweet to talk about. I was
Hmm.
$3,000 away from passing the account. Then I blew
Okay.
it.
Okay. So currently you're in challenge.
Yeah,
What size accounts do you generally trade?
one phase or two phase, anyone, depending on what I can afford to buy. The one phase is more expensive than the two phase. So
There are a couple of there are tournaments running. You can participate in tournaments and you can get
no, I don't.
accounts.
I don't do tournaments. Do you know why I don't do tournaments? As the tournament is starting, like 30 minutes, 1 hour, someone is already 200%. How do they do it? And if you check, they are mostly Indians. I don't know how you guys do it. 200, 300, like
So,
they are.
in tournaments, the accounts leverages are good. You can go full margin.
No, 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 I can't do that. What if I go full margin and one trade, the account is gone? What do you want me to do?
Okay.
So I don't. That's why I don't do tournament. Tournaments are not for traders that have low risk appetite. You get, they are just for people that do or die. It's either they are winning it or they are losing it. So I'm not that
Yeah.
kind of person. All right. So you are an ambassador with Funding Peeps. I want to let you go because I have news for the viewers right now. We are suggesting or soliciting that you should do a giveaway for our viewers from Funding Peeps as an ambassador or as an IB. Would that be possible? I
I
can't
can
even
do
see the
that.
comment. You can do
I
that.
can I can try probably in the upcoming week. We can do a small giveaway of funding to pro accounts 2 step.
Two step.
Yeah.
Which account size?
Mm, what account size do you think? Like,
No, you are the ambassador. You should tell me what
I'm
is.
not an ambassador. Like, I just promote, not promote. I've been trading with funding pips. I can check with them
All
if
right,
we can
fine.
do.
You should tell me what is feasible for you, because if you are doing a giveaway, it should not be to one person, because of course we're trying to grow the
Let's do a 5K 10 accounts. That I think that will be
what?
good.
See,
5K 10 accounts.
5K 10 accounts.
Yes.
That's 50K in total next week.
Yes, 2 step accounts.
Two step. Wow, that's massive. That's massive. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So, I'll let you go now. You can leave this live. I have a news for them that's not pertaining to you. That's why I'm letting you go.